Make sure say it start with you and it start with me. Don't go out there and get angry at people for no reason at all. Don't go out there and be bullies to people for no reason at all. Not because we're walking with, sometimes we walk with a little metal in our side. Not because we're walking with one of those, it doesn't give us the extra strength. Not because we are, so high on the ladder, it doesn't give us the extra power. Alright, a life is a life. Let's learn to talk things through, understand, and come to a conclusion. I know a lot of times it's hard, but we have to try and see how we can do that. But I do hope that nurse, you will have a speedy recovery, as I say. And to all the nurses in Jamaica, as I say, big up to NHA for always having our backs. When it comes on to the protests, you guys never fail. You never fail yet. You understand? You don't have this thing because you guys care about us.